industries, top voices are hoping that the government will step up on tax reforms and push for a cut in personal income tax rates. Godrej tells ET Now that another rate cut by RBI will help in getting the economy back on track.
I think it will certainly help the investment cycle, and it will certainly help consumption go up, but more needs to be done.
Yeah.
And what we hear from the government is there will be continued set of announcements, and we look forward to seeing what they do. But GDP growth needs to be stimulated.
Right. So do you have any expectations? As we know, in the first quarter, it stood at a shocking 5%. Now the second quarter has also ended. Do you have any expectations with respect to the second quarter? What are your expectations?
Second quarter, I don't expect will be very good. But we should make sure the third and fourth quarters are.
Yeah. But do you think it will be the same as the first quarter, or?
Difficult to tell.
It's difficult to tell. All right. So what sort of measures are you expecting from the government side now, apart from the ones already taken? Like you mentioned, more is needed.
I think they will announce some reduction in personal income tax rates, and there will be other measures, I think, for specific industries to increase consumption.
Right. Sir, because many critics of the government, they had said that, the government's announcement of cut in corporate tax rate won't really help, because the problem really is on the consumption side. So do you think once the government announces this personal income tax cut, if they do, will it help in reviving the consumption again?
Yes, I think so. Consumption can go up.
Also, sir, do you also think, apart from the fiscal measures that the government is providing, there's also a need for some monetary steps from the side of RBI, and especially given the fact that tomorrow there is a monetary policy meeting?
RBI has made taken a lot of cuts on the monetary policy. They need to be better transmitted by the banks, and it will have to continue. But if the economy picks up again, then the inflation rates will also pick up, and then we won't need cuts anymore.
Right.
I don't think that's the very important part of the policy.
But in the upcoming one, like the one that is tomorrow, do you see a rate cut happening tomorrow?
Yes, I expect a 25 basis points.